Mr. Batson, good morning. Mr. Batson, you're here for first appearance accused of one count of a simple assault. Mr. Batson, there is probable cause for the offense. I know that you're on bond in another case, a felony case, but this appears to have allegedly occurred before you were on bond. So since it occurred before you were on bond, it does not revoke your bond. But it is something I've got to set a bond on or do something on it today. So I'm going to see if the attorneys have any additional information, Mr. Batson, and then I'm going to address your bond status in this case. Mr. McDaniel, anything?
No, I don't have anything.
Mr. Mitchell?
Your Honor, there were allegations that this defendant allegedly has been in and around the victim's property in this case, from a conversation that I had with her, and that the manager at the Family Dollar over in Cottondale says that this defendant has been doing this to many other people where he just kind of loiters around. So we would be requesting not only a high bond, we would be requesting that he be ordered to stay away from the victim's property and from that Family Dollar at...
Do you happen to know if they got a trespass warning from that property?
From what I've heard, there is a trespass from that property.
And the last question I have is the alleged victim, is she related to the store as in the sense of an employee or manager, or is she just someone who was there as a
She was someone that was there, but the manager, in speaking with the law enforcement officer, says that he has done that a few times at that store. And I may be wrong, but I believe he was even at that store when he picked up his felony charges.
Okay. All right, Mr. McDaniel, anything? I know you just got some additional information from the state, at least from their procession, from their point of view. Mr. McDaniel, anything else, sir?
Who was the no contact with? I guess you said the victim, but I don't know.
The alleged victim of the assault is an individual named Miss Hollins. So that's the person you could have no contact with as part of the bond. Anything else, Mr. McDaniel?
I need to.
Mr. Batson, as I said, I can't revoke your bond because this supposedly happened before you were even on bond, but I'm going to set you a bond in this case, Mr. Batson, of $5,000. The reason the bond is that amount is because of your criminal history, as well as the fact that you've got other charges pending. I'll give you a chance in just a second. You've got a condition of $5,000 bond with a condition not to go to that property and to have no contact with the alleged victim. You cannot go to that store, and you can have no contact with the alleged victim, Miss Hollins. Mr. Batson, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have some demands, actually, not any questions.
Go ahead.
Hey, I demand to speak with the circuit judge to file a criminal complaint against you, against Donnie Edenfield, and anybody who's an invasion of my privacy and my rights. Because number one, I ain't trespassed on no dollar store. I haven't been back to that store since I paid bond and been out. And really, I've been at home every day and been trying to stay out of trouble. So really, this is slander and defamation of character. Me even being brought up in court, the way that the prosecutor's talking and slandering my name on your screen, saying this and saying that, and talking about a bond being high and all of this, and I haven't done anything. It's kind of outrageous. These accusations are outrageous. All of this slander is outrageous.
Say that. What else you want to say? What else
I want to file a criminal complaint against everybody involved, even the police officers that falsely arrested me on Dollar General property, bro, because really I ain't threatening nobody from the beginning.
You have a question, though?
That's your bond.
No, I need
Time's
to file
up. Have a good day.
Have a good day, sir. Violated my rights, and also the sheriff that violated my rights.
Corporal Jones.
Signed off on a
His
warrant.
first appearance is over. Get him out of there.